Millions of people around the world live in rural villages with limited access to water. In many communities, the deep groundwater is extracted via electric water pumps. But electricity is often not available, so the electric pumps have traditionally been powered by diesel generators. These generators bring a range of challenges to the rural communities. There are lots of moving parts, which means every month they need a service, and twice a year a major service is required. Costly, cumbersome, but critical to avoid breakdowns. And of course, a generator runs on fuel, which is both expensive and emits carbon dioxide. So for the life of the generator, the community is continuously paying for diesel, maintenance and replacement of parts. So what are the alternative sources of power for our pumps? What about solar? People often say solar panels are expensive, and they once were, but prices have been tumbling, and in the last 7 years, the price has dropped by 80%. And now these panels last for more than 25 years. Let's compare the cost of a diesel versus solar power solution for pumping water. Well, the initial cost of solar is higher. But over the lifetime of the pumping system, replacement parts and maintenance costs are far lower. And then what about fuel? The generator keeps consuming diesel, and the solar, well, sunlight is free. So, by choosing solar, you've helped to reduce the cost of accessing water by using clean energy in your community for the next 25 years. It's becoming increasingly evident that solar is simply better. To learn more, go to www.worldbank.org/solarpumping.